I hope you find some paradise. OK. No, takže, tuto sú moje ruky, sú naspäť. Mám 10 rokov! OK, no. Ešte 3 roky a budem teenager, wow. No, takže, dneska máme novú hru. Čo si myslíte, že to je? Vyzerá niečo nové tuto? Nie. Takže, viete, že ja milujem bojové hry, no tak mám toto. Drunkn bar fight. Znie to docela ako Rec Room, ale Rec Room urobil ten jeden chlap, ktorý urobil Rec Room, urobil kopíu tejto hry, ale biješ sa s ľuďmi. Tuto sa biješ s NPCčkami aj niekedy s ľuďmi. No 3, 2, 1, Drunkn bar fight. Drunkn bar fight. Made with Unity. OK, Unity to urobil. Unity je docela dobré. Drunkn bar fight. No. Koľko na moje telo, ty vole, aký som epičky. Jaké closed. No. Nevieš sa mísť, bitch? Nevieš. Oh. Them si going home, poď.
It sucks being lonely, but tonight I want to get one.
Did I cry during the last episode of Oprah? Absolutely.
Drugs are bad for you, and this should all be illegal.
Nechcem
Now, someone
hudbu,
give me
OK.
a triple shot of whiskey.
I'd
Jaké
ask you to
whisky,
leave,
drž
but I
hubu.
seriously need the business.
Vyzeráš ako Trevor, keby nejaký rip-off Trevora vyzeral.
I'm a motivational speaker against
chceš?
alcoholism, so I teach by example to get the point across.
Nezač. Čo tu máme? OK,
Price match to
nepí
any
to.
bar in town.
Som opitý. Poď sem! Poď sem! Jaký fucker mi ukazuješ? Do loptie. Zoberiem si svoju cigaretu. Dobre.
All the women
Chloe,
want to be
My
with
wife
me,
has brought
and all the
home
men
more
want to be
threatening
like
guys
me.
than you.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Hore.
I wanna take
Chceš
your
cigu?
blood!
Chceš cigu? Počkaj. OK. Čau,
Welcome to my
kam
bar.
ideš?
It's the worst in the city.
Toto nie je tvoj bar. A ty ešte...
You can't judge me for being a drunk when it's part of
No,
my
but-
job.
Ow! Cut your
No, but-
fingernails!
I have no idea how to run this place.
You want a roundhouse kick to the face?
I hate my
Ooh!
ex-wife. Always telling me to drink and
You
party
need
too
anger
much for a 40.
management!
Maybe I should force
Jaký
myself.
anger management? Drž hubu. Ty si ako bábätko proste.
No one has ever gotten killed in my bar. You're giving
Drž hubu. Chcel si, aby som ťa buchol, nie?
I don't know what's gonna hurt.
being invaded by anti-Christian Maoists, and the
No, but-
Democrats aren't doing anything about it.
I think you'd really
No.
You
Must
look
be
at
nice
me
to
again
wake
like
up and
my
take a
ex-wife
blue pill
used
and
to.
never
You're
eat
gonna
it.
regret it.
No, tuto máte. Čo je? To je tvoje vajíčka. Poď, daj mi.
Ow! You can't
Ale
hit me there.
ty už nemáš.
Repent now! You scared me
A
so
zase
bad.
Trevor je tu naspäť. Ticho, buď. Ó, jaká rička.
I can't stand
Come on,
it
it's-
when my wife
Ow,
complains.
wait.
She always sees me as a woman.
Oh, look, the guy who's at the bar. By
Oh,
himself.
ďakujem.
Where's Mojo when you need him? Infowars told me to
Čo si mi
watch
povedal?
out for people.
Ty sa smial mne.
Unlike you,
Za to, že som...
I'm in touch with my emotions.
A ticho buď, lebo ťa nikto nezaujíma. And be quiet because nobody cares. No. Ty si silný.
Maybe I should force
Ow,
myself
that
so
hurts
you
so
don't blow my
much!
friends down.
Ow!
Right, guys?
Nie
Sir,
si veľmi
please don't
silný.
make me ask the bartender to call the police.
Pepper
Let me grab a
spray.
chair so I can
Surprise
create
the
some
Rumple Man.
distance.
Do you even have a nickname?
Dám si.
Sir, you have to go, I think. I was...
Doluptík. Ej! Čo je? Za to, že som buchol do dievčata, tak to koho zaujíma? Prečo
No one has
nerešpektujete
ever gotten killed in my
chlapcov?
bar.
Drž hubu!
Hurry.
No,
You're
prečo
too old for
nerešpektuješ
me.
You're giving my bar a
chlapov,
bad
ale viac
rep.
rešpektujete dievčatá?
Where's my damn bouncer?
Ty si Joe? Čo?
You're giving
Gang
my bar
leader?
a bad
I have a
rep.
warrant out for my arrest.
Whoa,
Drž
I just
hubu!
got punched
Koho
by a
to
man.
zaujíma? Nikoho! No poďte policajt! Toto je dobrá hra, len veľmi krátka, no tak asi urobím všetky mapy. Tak to sme už dorobili, skúsme toto. Toto vyzerá ako nejaký salón. Ide mi to, okej. Už som si myslel, že to nepôjde. Drunkn. Nejaké zlaté pivo.
So yeah, I just spent
To si ja
$150
nechám.
on these clothes. Just trying to get a start here.
Ty vole, tučňak! Čo keby som ja...
Hey, what's a good country band to get into to sell my look?
Chceš
You ever
fajčiť?
seen Bad Boys 2? Totally
Oh.
underrated. Changed my life.
Have they combined rap and country yet?
When me and my girlfriend are having fun, we call each other Tub Tub. Chub Chub.
Budem sa robiť, že som slepý. Vie niekto kadeľ ísť? Vie niekto kadeľ ísť? Vieš niekde kadeľ ísť? Vieš?
If y'all wanna watch
This is a southern bar.
To mi
You're
zlomil
not welcome
palicu.
here. I'm pretty sure this is how they do it down
I'm
south.
in so much art school.
Prdele. Dobre, ideme toto vyskúšať. No poď.
Yo, String Bean, you wanna come to my birthday party?
Um,
I landed this
Oh,
String
yo.
Bean
No
impersonator.
idea how to even ask.
Why
I threw out the receipt for these clothes.
Saitama!
Oh God.
We're still calling it a birthday party, right?
No, vajíčko. Veľkonočné.
I need better
Tuto.
inspirations in my life than Kid
No
Rock.
poď. Keď si taký silný.
Don't be a stranger here.
Come at me like that again, and I'm body shaming you.
Slow motion. Ja som flash. Slow motion. Come on.
Hey, reach into my back pocket and hand me
I
this.
guess I'll
Oh,
Nice
man,
to
you
bounce
really
back
messed
from
me up.
this one.
Ketchup.
Clearly, I've made a
Oh,
poor
great.
Bitch.
Don't even buzzed and still a virgin on my 21st.
Ďalší drink. Hej! Poď,
What's the matter?
cowboy! Arthur Morgan!
My dear mom always said to stay away from places like
Ja viem, že ťa zabil tuberkulózis, ale nezabil ťa Majka, ale ja ťa zabijem! To je moje. Hej, to ja potrebujem. Poď, choď prečo do mňa, ty ďalší cowboy.
Why you
Ty si,
bouncing?
ty si
Here comes
kto,
the
John
real
Marston?
cost to
Dobre,
your head.
poď.
I'm saving up my money to go to Jamaica. and get
Zelená.
All right, cowboy, you out of here.
Teraz som vysoký.
If I beat you, then everyone will have.
Vy ste taký malý.
Honestly, if you would put a gun to my head, I'd say the biggest inspiration in my life is
Ouch, I will
Have they
mess
ever-
you up.
Ticho buď. Jaké bič? Čo? Bude.
I'm going to clear your pitch.
Musím zaškávať!
One shot to go.
To je dobrá hra. No, kde ideme? Poďme sem. Usaj to má! One punch! Drunkn bar fight! Nie je to ten chlap z tých reklamách, ten level 100 Mafia Boss. Môžeš držať. Prečo to ja takto držím? To čo je za držanie, ty vole, ty si retard? A neviem to ani vybrať, no tak to som ešte väčší retard. To asi. 3, 2, 1. Poď, petarda! Viac! Kurňa. Váza! Sakra, nožík. Ty si to... What the... Ty jak chodíš? Moje taký zlomený chrbát. Mobilček chce... Vieš čo? Čo chceš?
What?
What?
Please, the Clintons tried to have me killed. Do you not know who I am?
Taký debil. Daj mi to.
I'm going nuclear here.
Yep.
Hey, you got an unpaid
This one's for Fred Durst.
Dobre, tuto mám niečo. To čo je? To nie je na koláč? A zase, dievča. Hej. Čo je?
Do you not know who I am? I once bought...
I'll just...
I haven't
Kto
lost
chce?
as fast since I invested millions into Fedora coins.
Oh God, look at the boomer
Podzim!
was my cheat day.
Pozri sa na moje movie.
It doesn't matter. They've already got me on security.
Shots of vodka. I'm gonna fight and speak on behalf of all these people who never asked me to.
I'll be there looking down at you.
Ukážem ti movie moje.
Capitalist pig.
Ona mi jednu jeba. Tu ja som... Prosím.
9.
Som naspäť. Nebojte sa! Ty debil!
Wait, the police. I touched beer bottles.
Nejdeš nikam.
You do not want to mess with my bodyguard. He's almost...
Ale more, choď do prdele. Tak dáme to odznova, nevadí. Stále som ožratý, no tak to je výborné. Otvorte mi dverá.
I hope the DJ plays Goodbye Horses. That's my favorite song to dance to.
Shh, quiet. I snuck up here to sabotage this place since they're stealing all the customers from my bar.
Chcete vidieť jednu vec?
Have you been keeping up with the news about all those missing people? Wouldn't it be weird if you were next?
Do prdele. Jem to. Do prda! Áno, je tento bar stupný. Asi, zase to držím ako debil. Lebo ty si ho urobil.
I think we all hear voices in our heads.
Môžem? Ukáž mi tvoju ličku. Ukáž mi tvoju ličku. Ej, what the facka. A packa.
You again.
Zase ty? To je Trevor. Viac ako Trev. Zake to. Nevadí. No poďte. Facka.
Hey, you got an unpaid
Facka. Facka mi ju ako vy ju fackáte. Facka. Facka.
You're starting to get a bad
Fačička!
I lied. This totally was my cheat day.
Facka. Facka.
Please. The Clintons tried to have me.
Facka. Facka.
Is this how the lower middle class feels?
Oh God, no! I've just stooped down to their level.
Facka. Ty kto si? Facka. Ukážem ti sílu facky! Ty Facka. Do vajec. Facka. Facka. Sorry, to bol tvoj manž. Gel, nie? A helikoptera prišla. Do prdele. Počkajte. Nazvíme sem. Čako klauník. Chceš toto? Ty máš čo za sklo? Nemáš. More. OK, ideme do Drunkn. Para fight.
Everything about this carnival just screams up to code. Wouldn't you agree?
Oh. Zase je to ten cowboy, ktorého som videl. Oh, yes!
One day I'm going to the carnival is literally my entire vacation.
Dobre. Yes! Dal som to! Drbni si to, Dorite! Čo je toto? Prizes. Dostal som vázu! Ty vole, prestav si dostať vázu! Nie fázu, vázu. Novka. Balónik. Daj balónik! Dobre, ďakujem. Dal som zelený balónik. Zelená je najlepšia farba. Čo je toto? Hit the red. Okay. What the? Haha.
Hey, you couldn't lie to your friends at the junction. Oh, that's right. You're all alone. Maybe you should just stick to drawing pictures of anime.
Yo! Dal som ťa! No. Čau. Pennywise! Viac ako Pennywise! Čo som ja urobil? Ty si najväčší knock-off Pennywise. Pennywise, more. Ja som si len chcel zahrať hry. Ty... Ja ho držím, že... Time out! Automat. Sme v pohode? OK. Hodil som ho do vody. Tam bude spinkať. A spinkať. Nič iné, OK? Nebude mŕtvý. Čo je toto? Choď do prdele. Oh no. Yo. Yes! Basketball! Wow. Oh! Morele, bro! Fuck. Musím dať. Skúsim. Ale nie! Hej, to je normálne.
Remember to buy your tickets for the slaughtering of the pigs happening here soon.
Never forget, folks, there's ammo to buy and cities to save.
Viem, čo ja urobím. Ja pôjdem sem. Mám aj tak zlomené ruky, ale nevadí. Yes! Vieš čo? Ja som čo je to? Čo je toto? Yes. What the fuck?
Hey, what button do I press to talk?
Ale čo robíš? OK. No, poď. Yes! To vyzerá ako Markiplier. Yo, frisbee. Kúkaj sa na toto. Ty vole, on vyzerá, keby bol vystrašený od niečoho.
Take home a prize today at our 9mm shooting gallery.
Come on. A teraz... Typy! Drbni svet! Jo, toto je úplná mama disciplína. Vieš čo? No poď. Kokos. What the... PM. Fanta. Facku. Čo mi povedal moje mame? Čo som povedal moje mame? A ty čo chceš, more, levituješ? Nevieš levitovať? Rička.
On second thought, this place attracts a lot of society's trash.
Čo chceš?
The cake-down cosmetics have begun to crack. The labor to become
Next time
bronze.
I'll just take my
Peel the way
girlfriend's
to
kids to the
reveal.
local bathhouse.
It's fine,
No,
we're
but-
in a recession.
I'm just gonna come out and say it. I'm sexually attracted to fire.
How was any of this
Jak
supposed
si
to be
sexuálne
pointing to begin with?
do ohňa.
That's it. I hate the carnival. Every year someone tries to kill me.
No, my ťa snažíme ťa zabiť, lebo potrebuješ byť mŕtvý. To som urobil na schvál. Mene už poď. On sa zdrbe na zem. Asi som vyhral. Dáme to ešte raz? Poď, dáme to ešte raz. Asi som to nevyhral. Lebo to není konča!
Hey, what button do I press to talk?
Black out everyone.
Medical bill you'll get after I
Drag
take
your-
you.
How am I supposed to take
Well, I
it seriously as a bouncer when kids just keep twipping? Told you.
No, čo?
I dropped children sneaking out of my
My shit would be a bad to have a curb stop.
Som najlepší. Čo je?
When I
Čo
find my
je?
future children,
Get a
they're
big guy!
Teď čo dostaneš? Ty do prdele. Obidvaja.
Throw you out. If humans had a system that provided for their
Jaké
own
pau,
need,
pau, pau, da, 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 da. Položím vodítku, čo vy na to? Hydrácia!
I'm sexually attracted to fire.
Okay, they can keep.
Daj mi ešte viac. No, no.
Is there an essential oil for when a disadvantaged creature beats the shit out of?
Oh.
God, screw this place.
I set a pair of stilts today.
Vieš čo? Poď sem! Vieš čo? Poď. Ideš. Choď. Čop. Čop, čop, motherfucker.
What idiot thought
Ty
this
ešte.
was a good idea?
Penis wise, zomri! Čo máme ešte? Ideme sem. Poď.
How many times a week do I go to therapy? Not enough!
Čauko.
Oh! Sir, please don't call attention to the fact that I'm wearing my sunglasses at night.
I tried to pop a wheelie on my motorcycle.
Unlike you, buddy boy, I'm a shining beacon for mental health.
Šťastný nový rok,
Sir,
motherfuckers!
please don't punch me in the stomach. I just speed drank a lot of milk for some reason.
Šťastný nový sakra rok! Je 2025!
Back here's where I buy my fucking pills.
This is an AB conversation. Why don't you go F yourself?
Hey! Oh, don't mess with me. I'm a freelance writer for Vice.
I'm a free man.
Hey, reach into my back pocket and hand me my CBD.
Zlato, 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 zlato.
I can take you all on backseat while quoting.
To si ty zase. A ty zase. Tuto máš šťanku. Jo, drogy. Poďme.
God, why don't these people just?
I'm not a felon. The police just laugh at. You beat me up just like my kids do.
Did you just compare me to the oh? Hey!
Oh!
Kung fu. To je viac ako fú.
Only heartless fellas.
Right now I feel threatened.
všetci.
You're in my
Dneska
home,
hráme
which
nový
allows for me to
gameplay
act in
Garry's Moda, ideme
self-defense
hrať.
as laid out by our state's standard ground law.
I broke every bone.
Come on now.
This would never happen to me in Vietnam.
I have a hunch that you've been drinking, which is why it's...
I lied and took caffeine
Oh,
pills.
hey man, what's up?
Well, it's time to move. This
I'm
back
not a
alley has
felon.
really
Some
gone
kids
down.
stole my gift card to Wahlburgers
today, bro. Just don't piss me off even more.
Počkaj do kúry. Vidím 4. Oh, je taser. No.
Dude, seriously,
No,
stop.
what?
I'm already pissed as it is that
Maybe
it's
I
going to
shouldn't have
rain all
turned down
weekend and
that
I can't
engineering
drive my
job at
cruiser with the
Boeing.
top down. Time to take a break from...
Unlike you, buddy boy, I'm a shining beacon for mental health.
I'm only back here to experience what it's like to be poor, and I'm filming it all on my new iPhone.
This would never happen to me in Vietnam.
Have these people ever heard of
Jak v Vietnam, kedy jsi šel do Vietnamu?
Oh, you think I'm... So this is where all the
Prst
bodies are.
smrti. Kdo chce prst smrti? Prst smrti. Smrti prst. Prsty smrti.
Man, I've made some really confusing life choices.
Prst smrti. Prst smrti. Prst smrti.
Don't tag
Můj
me in any
prst
photos.
smrdí.
This scenario would probably happen if I had a home out in the suburbs.
jsi
I
kdo?
can tell you right now that I have a full
Jeremy
7-stage
Deadpool.
plan ready to take
Asi.
you out.
Just so
a
you
prečo
know,
sa
all
biješ?
your pressure points are fully exposed.
Actually?
Really? Pojďme do police station. Frisbee! Tak asi minus prý. Dúfam, že nebudem čierny. Dobre. Jaký lost dog? Taký policajt, more.
I'm just so lonely.
You like Huey Lewis in the news?
If I can write these new legal fees off as a business-related expense.
Čo to je?
I've
Aha.
arrested my own wife and kids before. Just because I can.
Hey, officer! 2 fingers of scotch, no ice.
Like I've ever planted evidence on a person who makes over 50 grand a year. People taxidermy their pets all the time, so I use the neighborhood pet.
No.
Big deal.
Cancelled. Oh.
Ask any cop.
Cancel.
DUI paperwork, disorderly conduct paperwork,
Oh,
mass shooting
nunčaky.
paperwork.
No poď.
It never ends.
What the... To sú čo za nunčaky, more?
I'm kind of like Eddie Murphy from 48 Hours. And my
Like
partner,
Eddie Murphy.
he's like Nick Nolte, except he's more racist, and I still have a respect for him.
Tuto? Čo je? Môžem proste... OK, ďakujem. To na seba, čo je toto?
So hard not to rest women because I just want to hold them in my arms and imagine that it's my wife again.
Dám si Jason Voorheesovú masku, daj. Nemo.
Driving around school.
Oh, yes.
I love doing suicide watch because you don't actually have
I slap your wrist.
Take longer breaks.
Yeah,
You just
people
have to watch the cameras were working.
Neviem, čo sa stalo tam. No, nevadí. Ideme naspäť, poď. Poď. OK. Takže kto povedal, že sa chce vajtiť?
You like Huey Lewis in the news? Oh, yeah. Oh!
Čo je?
I'm just I'm just so lonely.
Hej, chceš aj ty trošku? Si cancelovaný. Aj na oku to máš. Čo je toto? Obrovské kladivo. Som Thor. OK.
At least this time when I go to the hospital to treat my wounds, because I got pink slipped.
I've arrested my own wife and kids before.
To prdele. Skúsim to hodiť po ňom. Skúsim ho napiť.
You know, the cells they have here don't look so bad. They remind me of my childhood bedroom.
I slept. So busy talking about his prostate now. Maybe he could give me some backup.
You ever wonder what it would be like to be
Okay.
It's up.
Almost lost my buzz.
Oh!
Tuto, chceš? Chceš? Ja chcem Jasonovú masku.
It's actually a growth that no doctor has ever seen before.
Why would any family want to breed you?
Watch it.
Zase čierny detku.
I can tell you right now that I have a full.
Don't eyeball me, asshole.
Jaký asshole? Ty si definícia asshole. To si videl? No poď. Kto chce byť žltý ako slnko? No, kto pôjde? Kto pôjde? Kto pôjde? Ty si kto? Gymnastik? Použijem nunčaky.
You didn't kill me. That was
Each time I walk into a public building! All women are soulless. How am I the only...
Oh, all right. Daddy's in the mood for a little Debil.
I'm just jealous that my dad gets it every night and I don't.
Idem do toho auta. Wow.
Pilots love it when you enter the cockpit and start hitting buttons.
Champagne. Sprite, Coco, Sprite, Coco, Sprite. Sprite, čo tu máme? Tu asi dám trošku cigaretku. Chceš? Tuto. Oh, okay.
I guess this is the price I paid for
What
living
the
in the USSR.
fuck?
Stop the show!
Trevor, zase si tu. Ty vole, mi napálil jednu. Prečo ja vyzerám ako debil?
10, 9, 8.
Nechaj mňa. Yes.
Even the nicest guys have their limits.
Even the nicest guy has their limits. No.
I fly planes for fun, and sometimes I like to turn the engine off. El Kyler,
Poď sem, vajíčka. Tuto budeš voňavý. Oh, yes. No poď.
Stare at me
A vy
with those.
chcete? Vy čo fajčíte, more vzduch?
Don't play with me, boy.
Don't play with me, boy. Oh, fuck. No. Je to prdele.
That's it, dude.
Rýchlo.
I know the flight marshal and
Idem turbo mod.
I finally got around to watching robots. You work out as much as I watch.
Those are some.
OK. Chceš zase fajčiť?
What do you mean I never clean my ears out?
Poď! Idem vám hrať na polnoch. Hej, ja hrám. Chudakia. Čo si mi urobil rádio na teba? Toto, mám. Čo je toto laser?
I'll kick the back of your seat non-stop and the flight faster if you keep whispering about me.
OK, mám. Ja ho chcem. Daj jeho. Daj jeho. Zober jeho. Zober jeho. OK. Dovidenia. Sakra.
Touch me, and I live stream this whole thing as MVP.
What the fuck? Taká hnusná, tučná. Ty si čo, veganista? Veganista? Dám ti Harke johou. Poď.
Nothing's more dangerous than a woman
Toto je čo? O, yes. No poďte. Toto je čo? Bagúga? Asi. No poďte. Ha? O, je to zle.
You can't watch it with me. It's on an iPhone 6.
We know who you are. That's 311 to demonstrate for you.
OK. Čo je toto? Rýchlo, zober to. Veľa to robí. Golfka. Golf.
This makes me look like a walking red flag.
Nožička. Čo je toto? Ja neviem, ale vyskúšam to. OK.
You're not gonna believe what I just tested positive for.
Čo je toto? O, yes. Poďme! To si taká tučná, že by si aj chcela cigaretu, nie?
It's cool. I gave my python to some kids flying.
What the fuck?
Hey, that's how they hit me in the cockpit.
Ty strašiteľné, pomocný. Zabito! Zabita!
That's it, dude.
Okay.
Oh, what do?
What do? On nechodí. On chodí, aký má zlomenú ruku.
Check this out.
Final boarding call for Daryl Woods for flight 847 to Phoenix. Please proceed at this time.
Yes, rýchlo! Ešte jedna mapa. Poď. Mŕtvol! Ideme do supermarketu, ideme si kúpiť pár vecí.
They have leftover turkeys on sale? I wonder why.
Oh!
Oh my
6ix9ine!
is also having a Black Friday sale.
Oh yeah.
My ex-wife's got me for Thanksgiving, which means this thing is great fun.
Do prdele. Parfém! Počem. Aby si bol pekný.
Hey, if you see my kids, just tell them I left the store and that they can figure out how to get home on their own.
Fear is if I get the worst thing possible, come back to civilization.
Yes! Flare gun. Stroky! Oh, yes. Okay.
Someone go get Mama that electric.
That's now.
Shuriken.
Desmond, go see if they got any Black
To
Friday
je Santa.
deals on bandages.
Halucináciám, alebo tam je Santa? Santa! Peňažky, tu máš! Som dobrý bol, nie? A trvili mi do hlavy, som dobrý veľmi. Dobre, no. Kosačka! Miško Miecka, budeš šťastný. Aj kvôli tomu to bude Miško Miecka šťastný. What the? What the?
I think I just watched it.
Final showdown úplne. Bowling! Oh yes. Nemôžeš niekam ísť! Prčís. Parfém! Kto chce mlieko? Chceš ty? OK, otvoríš mi to? Keď ty si, to je asi manažér, nie? Otvoríš mi to, ja to neviem, ako otvoriť. Áno, dobre, ty si výborný, kamoš. Wow. On mi kopol. No tak ja ho zbijem.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
They have leftover turkeys on sale? What are you doing?
I feel like I just got out.
What the fuck? Chuj sem. Chuj do prdele. Mám nejaký problém tuto. Chceš vajíčko? Šťastné veľké noci. More. Tuto máš mlieko, aby si bol zdravý. Tuto. Aspoň, že som ho zabil. Kde to je?